The Mizo Students Union MSU General Headquarters at the emergency meeting this evening, February 19, issued a warning to Manipur Chief Minister CM Biren Singh, stating that if he plans to follow up on the statement he made on February 13, wherein he allegedly planned to deport all the Zo ethnic group to Mizoram who entered Manipur after 1961, they would take steps to send off all Meiteis residing in Mizoram. The MSU further claimed in their statement that they have the names, employment and addresses of all Meiteis inside Mizoram. It is to be mentioned here that a day after Manipur Chief Minister CM Biren Singh said those who entered and settled in the state after 1961 would be identified and deported. Experts raised doubts over the viability of the move. They said the identification of the illegal immigrants was a welcome step, but their deportation would be difficult unless the foreign countries concerned recognize them as their bona fide citizens. The northeastern state has become rocked by ethnic strife since May last year, and the government has accused a section of immigrants from neighboring Myanmar of fomenting trouble. Speaking at the launch of the project Buniyat on Monday, the Chief Minister said those who entered and settled in the state after 1961, irrespective of castes and communities, would be identified and deported. The Chief Minister's assertion comes after the Manipur Cabinet had in June 2022 approved a proposal to adopt 1961 as the best year for determining the native status of residents of the state for effective implementation of the Inner Line Permit.